In order for the rear climate control to be functional, it must be set to automatic climate control in iDrive. Go to My Vehicle, Vehicle Settings, Climate Functions, and check the box for Rear Climate. The rear climate control system is located in the rear center dash. To turn on, press any button except for the seat heating or seat ventilation. Turn these controls to select the temperature for each rear passenger. When Auto is selected, airflow, air distribution, and temperature are controlled automatically. These fan buttons are used to control the automatic intensity. To manually adjust airflow, turn off Auto by deselecting it. Now these fan buttons decrease or increase airflow. Use this control to adjust air distribution to upper body and footwell, or footwell. When maximum cooling, max AC, is selected, the system is set to the lowest temperature, maximum airflow, and air circulation mode. This is most helpful when entering the vehicle after it's been parked in the sun for an extended amount of time. This button controls seat heating with 3 intensity levels available. Seat ventilation activates fans that blow circulated air through the seat for added comfort. To warm the ventilated air, press the Seat Heat button. To switch climate control off, press and hold the left fan button labeled Off.